What's up, words? Today we're going to talk about leaders, creating leaders, not followers. What are you guys really doing out there? Are you guys inspiring people to do better, to be better, to become more, to have more in life? That's what we're trying to do here. That's the golden rule. That's what we're meant to do. People are always asking me like, man, how could I be more? How could I become more? And there's a lot of people out there that could help you do that while getting a fucking cough or some shit, man. But we don't pay no attention. We still have to drop this video. We still have to, put that energy out there, that information out there, so you guys could understand that, you know what, it's all up here. It's all in our head. The way to become better is by being teachable, being able to hear advice from people. And that's what people don't want to do, because they think they're followers. There is no such thing as followers unless that's what you are. How are you going to perceive it? How are you going to see it? At a certain point, we're a student. I see it as I'm trying to be a student so I could better myself. But a lot of us, we've been lied to, and we think that by listening to somebody else, by hearing somebody else's advice, you're a follower. Or even your people start telling you, oh, what are you doing following that person? What are you doing listening to that person? Be your own person, knowing that you need help, knowing that you need information, knowing that you need more knowledge so you can succeed in life. People have these definitions twisted, man, and it has to stop, because other people, that's how they pull you down. They start clowning you. They start telling you a bunch of shit that stops you from doing what you got to do. Me, when I hire a coach, everybody was like, damn, why'd you need a coach? Why you hire a coach? Why are you listening to somebody else? Because, that's how we've been taught, to carry our own, to, us to don't listen to nobody, be your own man. You're the leader. Don't be a follower. But that shit is foolish, because the way that they see it is that if you don't know, you gotta ask. If you don't know what to do, how to become more, how to make more, you gotta listen to somebody. You gotta seek knowledge. You gotta, ask for help. And that's where you gotta drop your ego, your pride, all those fucking beliefs that you have that you shouldn't listen to nobody, that you know everything, which that's a lie. We don't know shit. And that's the problem with a lot of people, that they gotta admit, they gotta look in the mirror and see where they're at life. See where they're at in life. Accept that they don't like the life that they have, that it's by choice, that they could change that as soon as they drop that egotistic mind, that prideful mind, and stop procrastinating on what you really want. Whether it's you're gonna fucking have to pay attention, you're gonna have to hire somebody that's gonna teach you how to how to get what you're after, how to go after what you want in this life. That's what I had to do. Like, I got tired of spinning my wheels. I got tired of guessing. I got tired of going back to the drawing board, or trying something new every year and nothing was working. Nah, man, I was like, you know what? Fuck this. Like, all this guessing shit, it's just a waste of time. Time and energy is one of our greatest resources. Why would I want to keep doing the same shit over and over and over again and me get nowhere? So a lot of you guys, that's where you guys are at. That's why you guys ain't moving ahead, because you guys don't want to listen to nobody. You guys still have that mentality of like, oh, I ain't no follower. But yet you're following society, because society ain't doing shit. Society, they're stuck on stupid. They're wasting their energy and time on shit that's not going to build them. So you're a follower in that manner. What we're trying to follow is good leaders. People that are going to actually help you get out of that life that you don't want. Get out of that that negative mindset that you have, and create a positive mindset so you can start making more of yourself. That's what I do here. Like, I don't, in my team and my people that I help, we're all helping each other. We're all, gathering knowledge and wisdom, and we learn from each other. Well, obviously, I'm the one that's, helping them, get to the level that they want to get, the results that they want aesthetically, eat better so they could feel better. Somebody has to command that, but, I want them to be able to be as good as me so they could teach it to others, so they're able to, pass the knowledge along. And that's what we do here. I don't want no more followers. I'm trying to create leaders so they could go and lead their people and help their people. That's the difference. That's the difference from a good leader and a bad leader. The bad leader, he just wants you to stay there. He don't want you to move forward. He wants you just to be a puppet. A good leader and a good role model is going to want you to do better, if not even better than him, so you could excel in life, so you could become more in life and help others do the same and pass on the knowledge. That's what we meant to do here. Just keep passing on the knowledge so other people could enjoy and actually feel how you feel, grateful, proud of what you have done, and be in harmony with yourself, that you're not holding on to nothing and you're sharing, because that's what we're meant to do in this life. Like I said, reach one, teach one, all over and over again. That's how you're gonna be have inner peace and contentment with yourself, by sharing, by giving. And that's what most people don't want to do. They don't want to share the knowledge. They don't want to give the knowledge. And sometimes you gotta, I'll pay to learn more, to soak more knowledge. I'll pay for your time. I'll pay for your wisdom, because I know that that's what's going to help me. Sometimes that's what we got to do. It's called self-investment. You're investing in yourself. You're betting in yourself. So it's the way you see it. All this here is your perspective on how you see it. Are you going to be that nagging individual, the complainer, the whiner, or you're going to be the one that's going to say, hey, you know what? Yeah, thank you for your time. I appreciate your time. I appreciate your knowledge, your wisdom. Here you go. I'll pay for that. I don't want nothing for free. Everything in this life is earned. So, like I said, sorry this video was my stupid cop that don't want to fucking leave, but hope you understand what this message, man, is. It's about, creating more leaders. It's not about being a follower. It's about being a student. Being a student so you could learn, so you could be wise, and be able to become more in life. Let's run it.